Bellhoff is a supplier of joining and assembly technology. We partner with customers all over the world. We offer a 360-degree solution. Here you can see the plastics technology area, our intralogistics. Everything produced here is mainly used in the automotive and aviation industries. Why did we have such a strong desire for change? The ambition was that we had a lot of manual processes in intralogistics, and we wanted to eliminate them. We wanted to digitize the processes, make them leaner, more transparent, and, above all, more automated. That means more of a one-piece flow.
The overall solution we implemented as a general contractor consists of the KARDEX Miniload in a box, the Leo locative, and the LKZ software from PS Cooperation, which handles our warehouse management. The foundation of our implemented solution is a 30-hour buffer of semi-finished parts that we provide to production. These semi-finished parts are manually picked and stored in the KARDEX system. We store them by scanning the item number, batch number, and quantity of goods in the bin, and report this data to PS Cooperation. The inventory is then available for production in the KARDEX system. When an assembly line needs a semi-finished part, the operator creates a request on the e-label at the touch of a button. Following this, a digital information flow triggers retrieval from the KARDEX system. After retrieval from the KARDEX system, the goods are transferred to the transfer station using the BITO AGV system. PS Cooperation does a cross-check, and after that, the actual transport to our production facility starts. Once a finished part is ready, the operator generates a request via the PS Cooperation e-label, and the AGV moves to pick up the goods. It returns the finished items from the workstation to the KARDEX system. There, we buffer the finished goods until a pallet quantity is reached. Once we have reached the total pallet quantity, we retrieve all the corresponding goods from storage.
Am Ende hier in unserer Logistik wieder ausgelagert. Our
KARDEX system can store about 30 pallets of finished parts, of which we send about 15 to 20 pallets to our logistics center every day. Using the Leo locative system, we serve all of our 25 assembly stations across 3 halls and connected them to the KARDEX system.
From Bellhoff's point of view, we can finally say that all our expectations have been met by this major digitalization project. Working with KARDEX, PS Cooperation, and BITO, we met all our requirements for a fully automated digital process. With KARDEX, we could realize our desired 30-hour buffer, centralize the storage and retrieval processes, and of course, save space. We at Bellhoff are proud to have been able to implement this innovative project with our partners. For us, this is the right way to go digital. It is also a sign to our employees that we are taking innovative steps into the future.